Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so today is Friday. I'm home today, no school today, and there's no work today. So I decided that I'm going to cook Ofada and correct Ayamase Ofada sauce today. Just check out when I was coming, I actually brought enough to last me for a while. So today I'm going to be showing my African cooking skills. Just relax and watch. So guys, I brought all this ingredient from Nigeria. This is bleached oil. I already bleached my oil because here you cannot bleach oil. So this is the bleached oil I am touching. As you can see, this is how I packed it all the way from Nigeria. And that is the Ofada rice that you can see. That is diced onion. That is dried iru from SA Food and Spices. She didn't pay me for this advertisements anywhere, but product is actually good. This is a already mixed Ofada sauce that I got from her, and that is 2 kg of Ofada rice that I also got from her. That's my dried pomo. That's my mixed grinded pepper. That's turkey that I've fried. I want to use 2 pieces. That's my salt, and this is stockfish, dried pomo that I've mixed. This is the Ayamase that I just mixed with hot water, and I mixed a little quantity of minced grinded pepper with it. That is my bleached oil on the fire, and beside it is my Ofada rice, just 2 cup and 2
A few
inside.
moments later.
As you can see, our Ofada and Ayamase stew is ready, and that's the sample beside it. For your Ofada, contact again.